In this video, I'll guide you through how to share a Docusign template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give someone access to a template you've created while staying in control of what they can and can't do with it. Let's start with the first thing you need to do, opening the template you want to share. After you sign into your Docusign account and you're on the main dashboard, look for the template section. This is usually in the main navigation menu. Click on templates to see a list of all the templates you have access to. Find the one you'd like to share. If you have a lot of templates, you can use the search bar or any filters available to narrow it down. Once you see the right template, click on its name to open the template details page. You'll know you're in the right place when you see information about that specific template, such as its name, description, and associated documents and roles. With the template open, the next step is to locate the sharing option. On the template details page, look for the share button. This is often positioned near the top of the page, close to options like edit, more, or use. Go ahead and click share. This will open a sharing window or panel where you can choose who to share the template with and what kind of access they should have. Now it's time to specify who you're sharing the template with. In the sharing window, you'll see a field where you can enter an email address, type in the email of the person or team member who needs access. If your Docusign account is connected to your organization, you may see suggestions or a list of existing users as you type, making it easier to pick the right person. Take a moment to double check that the email is correct, since this determines who will actually receive access to your template. Once you've entered the email, you need to decide what this person is allowed to do with your template. This is where setting permissions comes in. Look for a drop-down or set of options next to the email address. Depending on your account and setup, you might see permission levels like view only, send, or edit. View only access lets them see the template but not change it. Send access allows them to use the template to send out documents for signatures but not modify the template itself. Edit access is more powerful and should be given only to people you trust to change the structure, fields, or roles in the template. Choose the permission level that matches what you want them to do. If you're unsure, send-only access is usually a safe and practical choice. After you've confirmed the email and selected the appropriate permission, you're ready to finalize the sharing process. Review everything one last time to make sure it looks right, then click the send or share button in that window. Docusign will apply the sharing settings and the person you specified will now have access to the template with the permissions you assigned. And that's it. You've successfully shared a Docusign template by opening it, clicking share, entering the recipient's email, setting the right permissions, and sending the invitation.